In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine two columns in Excel. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to merge the contents of two different columns into one, without losing any of your original data. This is especially useful if you have first and last names in separate columns, or if you're trying to join things like city and state, or product codes and descriptions. First, open your Excel file and take a look at the two columns you want to combine. It helps to quickly scan the data to make sure there aren't any empty cells or odd characters that might affect how things look when they're joined together. Don't worry if there are a few blanks. I'll explain what happens with those as we go. Next, decide where you want the combined result to appear. It's always a good idea to use a new empty column for this so that you don't overwrite anything by accident. Click on the first empty cell in that new column. This will be the place where your combined text starts. Now we're going to use a formula to join the values. The easiest method is to use the ampersand, which is the and symbol on your keyboard. In the formula bar, type an equals sign, then click the first cell you want to combine, then type an ampersand, and then click the second cell. If you want a space between them, add quotation marks with a space in between. For example, something like equals, first cell ampersand, quote, space quote, ampersand, second cell. When you press enter, Excel will instantly show the combined result in that cell. Take a moment to check that it looks right. If you combined names, you should see the first and last name with a single space in the middle. If you need a comma, a dash, or any other separator instead of a space, just put that character inside the quotation marks in your formula. Once you're happy with how the first result looks, you can apply the same formula to the rest of the column. Hover over the bottom right corner of that cell until you see the small fill handle. Then click and drag it down to copy the formula to all the rows you need. Each row will automatically pull from the cells in that same row. At this point, your new column is fully combined, while your original two columns are still untouched, so you can always go back to them if you need to adjust anything.